Good evening, and welcome to the Brycelyn Paquette Science Talk Show. Today's topic is plate boundaries. To demonstrate what happens at the plate boundaries, you will need two things. First, you need flat, hard taco shells, like this. They can come in little packages, and you need a can of Easy Cheese. To begin, you take one chip, and this will represent the Earth's crust. And then you take the can of Easy Cheese, and this will represent the Earth's magma. And you put it all over, symbolizing the magma hidden in the Earth. Take a big pile of it, because there's a lot of magma, like so. So the finished product should look something like this. And then to top it off, you need to add one more chip, and this represents the top of the Earth. You just smush it down. Voila! There are three types of plate boundaries. The first is divergent, the second is convergent, and the third is transform. Divergent is when the two plates are moving apart. This can happen in the ocean and on land when two ocean plates collide, when an ocean and a continental plate collide, or when two continental plates collide. A divergent plate boundary often creates faults, rift valleys, shallow earthquakes, and sometimes volcanoes. When it comes to two ocean plates colliding, some real-life examples would be the East Pacific Rise or the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. And when it comes to two continental plates colliding, an example would be a rift valley near Ecuador or the East African Rift. The next plate boundary is convergent. Convergent is when the two plates move together, and the one that subducts is the one that is more dense, so it slips under like this, and what can be created is deep sea trenches, earthquakes, and volcanic mountain ranges. When it comes to convergent plate boundaries, when an oceanic plate and a continental plate collide, a real-life example of this would be the Cascade Mountains. And when it comes to an oceanic plate and another oceanic plate colliding, something that would be created in real life would be Japan. And when it comes to a continental and a continental, a real-life example would be the Appalachian Mountains. The last plate boundary type is transform. At a transform plate boundary, the two plates are sliding past each other, which creates earthquakes but no volcanoes. A real-life example of a transform boundary would be the San Andreas Fault in California or the Haiti Fault in Haiti. So now you know the three types of plate boundaries, you know what gets created at them, and you know real-life examples of them. The last step to this experiment is to take your cheese-filled taco shell and go eat. That wraps it up, folks. Peace out.